Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and a ton of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Tetris Ipsy palette. I also have going on right now, in honor of my 100th video going up, I have a giveaway going for that. And I also have a video in honor of our 200th subscriber. I will put links for all these different giveaways and the videos that talk about them in the description box down below. Like all my rules, you do have to be a subscriber to my channel to be entered in those giveaways. Ipsy has entered the mystery bundle bags that are kind of going on and popular right now. So I picked $12 that's separate than their regular monthly bag. This is a skincare edition only bag, and I'm really anxious to find out what they sent me. Are you anxious too? Then keep watching. By Dr. Huang Beauty Lab is the vegan approved Red Fruits Brightening Mask. It is solutions for uneven skin tone, dryness, dullness, uneven texture. It is dermatologically tested, EWG verified, naturally derived, 99.6%. This mask does retail for $6. It is a cruelty-free company. It's aerial and vitamin C rich, applies extract from the pure regions of Switzerland to brighten up dull uneven skin tones, and Gallica motois fermented filtrate makes the skin brighter and more transparent. Clean Beauty is 99.5% vegetable ingredients, organic ingredients without chemical preservatives. Ideal for everyone who likes EWG verification, vegetarianism, cruelty-free, dermatological tested, clean, sustainable, sophisticated products, premium quality Korean, the world's finest fabrics, premium grade cotton provides unrivaled quality. If you don't know or are new to my channel, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks. So look for this in an upcoming video. Also by Dr. Huang is their vegan approved broccoli plumping mask. Solutions for signs of aging, tired skin, lack of visibility. It is dermatological tested, EWG verified, naturally derived, 99.6%. This does retail for $6. It's rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene. The broccoli mask protects the skin from harmful environmental effects and calms irritated skin. Right now, my skin is all sorts of irritated. I spent too much time in the sun this past weekend. It is Clean Beauty, 99.5% vegetable ingredient, organic ingredient without chemical preservatives. EWG verified, vegetarian friendly, cruelty free, and dermatological tested. It is from Korea with the world's finest cotton fabrics, premium grade cotton, provide unrivaled quality. So look for this one in an upcoming video as well. So those did not fit in the actual bag itself. How cute is this bag, you guys? I love this coral color. And here's what the inside looks like. Cute. Sweet by TonyMoly is their painting therapy pack. I've always wanted to try this. Full size of this just retail for $6.50, and it's paint your way to perfection with the TonyMoly's painting therapy pack serum. Control black color clay. This mask contains bamboo charcoal with the help of extract impurities and breaks down dead skin cells, and is cleansed from the inside out, perfect for controlling sebum and oil. Formulated with lava and kaolin clay, are 100% natural, perfect for drying out deep impurities and expelling toxins while never being overly drying, so your skin can become the ultimate canvas. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this. Some of the key ingredients are the Moroccan lava clay and Brazilian kaolin clay. Targets impurities and gently detoxifies the skin. The Tonight is a mineral-rich clay that draws out and expels toxins from the skin. Yes, please look for this in those masking videos. Oh, I am super excited for this. So this is the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing 2-minute polishing pill. I just ordered a full size of the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Balm because I love the trial that I got in that. Full size of this does retail for $24. And skin with a burst of freshness for an instant glow. A skin smoothing, energizing face polish infused with glycolic acid to gently exfoliate and brighten skin for a radiant complexion with only 2 minutes. Infused with watermelon, lychee, beet, and purple carrot. And this multitasker will leave skin smooth for any summer occasion. I can't wait to try this. I'm getting all sorts of stuff in here for my masking videos. Super excited. By Botanic Farms is an Avocado Honey Rich Water Balm Cream. Full size of this does retail for $35. And it's another cruelty-free company. We're California dreaming with this Avocado Honey Rich Water Balm Cream inspired by California's staple fruit. The balm cream was designed with avocado oil, which is rich in omega-9, to naturally repair and hydrate your skin. The balm texture is smooth enough to layer under makeup, but thick enough to keep hydration from escaping the skin. It also boosts algae and honey extract for anti-aging support. Your beauty tip is to layer this with your favorite essence or serum underneath for maximum effectiveness. And you basically take an appropriate amount and spread evenly over the skin twice a day after cleansing in the morning and evening. I'm all about a good balm. There's no scent. I love that. I don't like it when they put added fragrances in. That's kind of what the product itself looks like. Can we say instant hydration? Here's kind of the dull side, and here's where I put that balm. I'm gonna love this. The last product is by Feel. It is the Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. Full size of this does retail for $28. And your body isn't the only thing that can benefit from massage. You're facing on the action with the glow-infused power of Renewed. Each time you lather up, Pumpkin infuses the skin with alpha hydroxy acid, zinc, and vitamin A and C, while Walnut powder unleashes its talents as a tiny masseuses with gentle exfoliation. Together, the key ingredients and flaky dry skin packing reveal a fresh glow that will have everyone wondering if you snuck out into the spa during lunch. It's a vegan product, cruelty-free product. Everything in this bag was from cruelty-free companies. This one, though, is the one that I'm gonna have to pass on. The walnuts, you guys, I know a lot of people rave about them. Me, it is 100% pass. It is too irritating. It is basically scraping your skin, and then it doesn't matter how much milled and how powdered it is. For me, it just really irritates my own skin. So this one's gonna be a pass for me. Everything else I really loved. I can't wait to try out all the different masks in my masking series. Super fun. And this balm, I really loved how it felt. What were you guys' favorite things? Did you guys get this? Did you guys get the same things? Did you get something different? Let me know all that in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It doesn't really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.